What is the universe? The universe is everything that exists: space, time, matter, and energy. It encompasses all stars, galaxies, planets, moons, black holes, and all the other objects and phenomena we can observe, or even those that are beyond our current understanding. The universe is vast, intricate, and ever-expanding, containing not only the visible things we see through telescopes, but also mysterious phenomena, like dark matter and dark energy that we can't fully grasp yet. In essence, the universe is the totality of existence. It includes all the laws of nature, the forces of physics, and all the cosmic events that have shaped the universe from its birth to its present state, and everything that will unfold in the future. The most widely accepted scientific explanation for the origin of the universe is the Big Bang theory, which suggests that the universe began as a hot, dense point roughly 13.8 billion years ago. From that moment it began expanding, and it continues to do so today. As space itself stretches, galaxies, stars, and other objects move farther apart. This expansion shapes the overall structure of the universe. The number of galaxies in the universe is staggering. For a long time, scientists estimated there were around 100 billion galaxies, but more recent studies, particularly from the Hubble Space Telescope, suggest that the actual number is much higher, roughly 2 trillion galaxies. These galaxies vary in size, shape, and structure. Some are small with only a few billion stars, while others, like the Andromeda Galaxy, contain trillions of stars. The Milky Way, which is the galaxy that contains our solar system, is just one of these many galaxies. The vast majority of galaxies are incredibly distant, often millions or even billions of light-years away. Because of this, our ability to observe the universe is limited by the speed of light. That means we can only see galaxies whose light has had time to travel to us since the Big Bang. This is known as the observable universe. Beyond that, the true size and number of galaxies remain unknown, and they may well be far greater than we can observe. The universe is immeasurably significant in several profound ways. Everything that we are, from the atoms in our bodies to the earth we live on, was born from the stars and the elements forged in stellar explosions. The universe is the context for our existence. It provides the ingredients for life. The chemical elements like carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen necessary for life were formed in stars and distributed across the cosmos, making life on Earth possible. In this way, we are not separate from the universe, but an intrinsic part of it. Our desire to understand the universe has driven scientific discovery, innovation, and technological advancements. The study of the universe through fields like astronomy, physics, and cosmology has deepened our understanding of fundamental questions about existence, time, space, and the nature of reality itself. For example, the theory of relativity by Albert Einstein transformed our understanding of time and space, and the discovery of dark matter and dark energy has opened up new frontiers of research. The universe is deeply connected to philosophical and spiritual reflections about our place in the cosmos. Humans have pondered the nature of the universe for millennia, asking profound questions. How did we get here? What is the purpose of the universe? Are we alone in the cosmos? The universe prompts us to consider our significance within the grand cosmic scale. Are we just one speck in a vast, indifferent cosmos? Or is there some greater meaning to our existence? The sheer vastness and mystery of the universe evoke a sense of awe. We are aware that we will likely never be able to fully comprehend or explore every corner of the universe. Yet that doesn't stop us from trying to understand it. The ongoing exploration of space, whether through telescopes or space missions, reminds us of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our current knowledge. There are things we cannot yet see or imagine, and that mystery itself is one of the greatest drivers of human curiosity. The future of the universe is also of great significance. While the universe may seem to be an unchanging backdrop to our lives, it is in fact a dynamic entity. The Earth's eventual fate, whether through the death of the sun, the effects of climate change, or the eventual heat death or big crunch of the universe, reminds us of the impermanence of everything. At the same time, the idea of space colonization, intergalactic travel, and the survival of our species beyond Earth suggests that the universe could hold a future for humanity, one of exploration and adaptation. The universe, with all its galaxies, stars, planets, and forces, is a vast interconnected web. Everything in the universe, from the smallest quark to the largest galaxy, is governed by universal laws of physics, such as gravity, electromagnetism, and quantum mechanics. This interconnectedness shows that we are part of a larger cosmic system, and that every action we take, even on Earth, has ripples through the universe. Our very existence and ability to understand the cosmos are bound by these fundamental forces that govern everything. The universe is not just the backdrop for life. It is the ultimate context of existence itself. Every discovery we make about it helps us understand the origins of life, our place in time, and the forces that govern everything. Whether through the study of distant galaxies, the search for extraterrestrial life, or the quest to understand dark energy, the universe is a source of endless wonder and mystery. It holds the answers to questions that have fascinated humanity for millennia, and invites us to continue exploring, learning, and wondering about the universe's true nature and our role within it. In many ways, the universe is not just out there, it is inside us, shaping who we are, what we know, and how we perceive the world around us. The universe is not just the backdrop for life. It is the ultimate context of existence itself. Every discovery we make about it helps us understand the origins of life, our place in time, and the forces that govern everything. Whether through the study of distant galaxies, the search for extraterrestrial life, or the quest to understand dark energy, the universe is a source of endless wonder and mystery. It holds the answers to questions that have fascinated humanity for millennia, and invites us to continue exploring, learning, and wondering about the universe's true nature and our role within it. In many ways, the universe is not just out there, it is inside us, shaping who we are, what we know, and how we perceive the world around us.